Well, this should have been in the last video, but here it is now. Exercise 11 says find x of the values given are consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. It just means that this plus d equals that plus d equals that. In other words, this minus this is d. This minus this is d. That means that this minus this equals this minus this. So, let me write this out here and explain this some more. X plus 3, comma, 2x plus 1, comma, 5x plus 2. These are all supposed to be sequential values in an arithmetic sequence. The difference here will be d, and the difference here will be d. It has to be because it's an arithmetic sequence. So let's forget about what d is here. We know that this value here minus this value, this one minus this one, is going to be d. This one minus this one is also going to be d. So 5x plus 2 minus 2x plus 1. That's going to be d. 2x plus 1 minus x plus 3 is also going to be d. So this difference is going to be d, that's shown here, and this difference is going to be d, that's shown here. So they should equal each other. If that's the case, I should be able to simplify this, and that becomes 3x plus 1 equals 2x minus x is x plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. Now I'm going to solve for x, and I'll subtract the x here, so 2x equals minus 3, x equals negative 3 over 2. So all I did was I plugged these complicated values with variables into the sequence. I wrote it out here, recognized that the difference between these two would be the same as the difference between those two, and I wrote it out here, and that the two would be equal, simplified, and I got down to x. Let's try that again. Let's try that here with d. So once again, the same kind of stuff, but if they're going to be in a sequence, then 2x minus 1, this is 11d by the way, so 2x minus 1, x plus 1, and 3x plus 9 are supposed to be sequential values in an arithmetic sequence. And that means that x plus 1 minus 2x minus 1, that's this one minus this one, should equal d. And 3x plus 9 minus x plus 1 should also equal d. So now I just need to solve for x. So x minus 2x is negative x plus 1 plus 2 equals 6 minus x 2x plus 9 minus 1 plus 8. So negative 6 equals negative equals 3x. Alright, we subtract 8 from both sides, we add x to both sides, and so x must equal negative 2.